Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. In this video, we will discuss about the syllabus required for anyone who wants to become an Oracle developer or Oracle SQL developer. So let's start our session. Firstly, we will read about definition of data and types of data. Then we will read about definition of database and types of database. Then we will discuss about definition of database management system and history of database management system. Management system shortly we called DPMS. Then we will discuss about relational database management system. Definition of a relational database management system, shortly called RDBMS. Then we will discuss about definition of that table and metadata. Then we will read about file management system, file management system, shortly called FMS, and its disadvantages. Then we'll discuss about advantages of DBMS. Then we will discuss about definition of Oracle, definition of Oracle, then we will discuss about the latest version of Oracle, latest version of Oracle, and what are the tools are required, the tools required for Oracle. Then we will discuss about then we will discuss about definition of SQL, definition of SQL. Then we will discuss more about SQL, that is nothing but syllabus of SQL, that are tables data in SQL. Tables data in SQL contain some important topics, that are SQL commands. SQL commands. In SQL commands, we covered 5 important commands, that are DTL, DRL, DML, TCL, and DCL. Then we will discuss about then we will discuss about built-in function in SQL. Built-in function, built-in function in SQL. In SQL, built-in function contains some important functions, that are main, marks, upper, lower. Then we will discuss about then we will discuss about clauses in SQL. Clauses in SQL. Clauses in SQL topic content, group by, order by, order by, heavy, and etc. Then we will discuss about joins. We'll discuss about joins in SQL. Joins, joins. In joins topic, we'll also cover some important join operation, that are inner join, outer join, and etc. Then we'll discuss about subqueries in SQL. Subqueries, subqueries. In subqueries topic contains some important concept, that are correlated subquery and non-correlated subquery. and we will more discuss about important concepts that are set operation in SQL, that are set operation, set operation. Set operation contains some important concepts that are union, intersection, and etc. Then we will discuss about more topics that are included in SQL syllabus, that are constraints, constraints in SQL, constraints in SQL. In SQL, constant topic contains some important concepts that are primary key, foreign key, and etc. Then we'll discuss after that our table data in SQL that are finished. Then another topics in SQL that are in below, that are views in SQL, views in SQL. After that, sequences in SQL, sequences in SQL. After that, indexes in SQL, indexes in SQL. After that, materialized views, material, materialized views, materialized views. After that, we will read about synonyms. Yeah. These are the most important topics that are required for a Oracle SQL developer or Oracle developer. So after that, all the important topics are finished. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.